In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply a discount to the purchase invoices on Xero. We'll walk through the process right on the invoice screen so you can confidently enter a discount and make sure your totals, tax, and messaging are all correct before you send it out. Once you're in Xero, start from the main dashboard and head to the sales area. This is where the invoice layout clearly shows the discount field we'll use. Next, open the Invoices section so you can see your list and the option to create a new one. Choose New Invoice to bring up a blank invoice form. Begin by selecting the contact. Pick the correct contact from your list so the billing details and email information populate automatically. This helps ensure your invoice reaches the right person and that any saved defaults, like tax settings or currency, are applied. Enter the due date. You can follow your usual payment terms or any agreed deadline here. Clear terms are essential for cash flow and help set expectations with your contact. Add a reference. This might be a purchase order number, a project code, or any internal note that helps you and your contact match the invoice to work completed or goods supplied. Keeping this consistent will make reconciling and reporting easier later. Now, select the item. Choose a product or service from your catalog so the description, unit price, and account code fill in automatically. Adjust the quantity if needed and confirm the tax rate is correct for this line. Here's the key step. Apply the discount on the line. In the disc field, type the discount number along with the percent symbol. For example, enter 10% to apply a 10% reduction to that specific line. Xero will recalculate the line total and update the subtotal, tax, and grand total instantly. If you have multiple lines, you can add different discounts to each one as needed. When the invoice looks good, choose Approve and Email. Approving finalizes the totals and prepares the message to your contact. Take a quick moment to review the email preview, including the subject and message body, so it's clear and professional. Finally, click Send Email. Your discounted invoice is now on its way, with all calculations handled by Xero and your terms clearly stated. That's it. You've successfully applied a discount and sent the invoice, keeping everything accurate and easy for both you and your contact.